Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable messages, pop-up, banners, notifications on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then in here, tap on Messages. Next, tap on Notifications. Then we go down to the Alerts section and tap on Banners. By tapping on the checkbox, that will allow you to switch off or turn on banners. So if you deselect this item, when you receive notifications, it can appear on the lock screen in the notification center, but it will not show up in the banner. And that's it. So make your selection and then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.